Some Nigeria people, especially agent, where una go get sense? Where una go get sense? You won't buy land, you don't call agent. How much for this 100 by 100? He go tell you say instead of 1 million, they must put their own 200,000. It will come be 1.2. Agent calling you. You go fair come out to you 200,000. 200,000 will just fair come out. Now, if you want dig foundation, it's okay. Now you want fair the fall, the big sand come for your land. Now there you go find person you say Alpha, let me find tipper when you go bring sand come down my land. How much? They would, if not 10,000, they will tell you na 12,000. They will put their 2,000. Wait till they invest me. If you come say me you price, not be 10,000. They'll say if you shoemaker where they here where they build yourself, how much they buy? And I judge you do. Oh good they kick down. What it concern me? You don't see you don't see where they pick money for. You see money for grant. They're gonna say now Europe you do. You know what they first be passing. See, anytime when they call, when they make this kind of call, if you dey Europe and you get friend when near you or na girlfriend he come near you, I beg enter your toilet go make that call. Because some over some big friends they when be say if they make that kind of call, they're gonna say my guy Alpha, put on Najan you do. Najan you dey put on. Oh good they kick Jan. What it concern me? Me they see money they pay for grant for the Jan. And they see money. You never even ask them how many trip of sand. Now you go first ask before you say na jand you dey. Okay, just imagine say na 100 trip of sand he won't carry. You can't say make it just put on 2,000. 2,000 times 100, 200,000. Don't join the one way jet for collect 400,000. Ceiling never did there. Tiles work never did there. Tarlock never did there. Light, electrician never did there.
You think say no, right?
See, my guy, if you dey jand and you dey build house, my guy, you dey try. You too try. Anybody way from here build house for Nigeria, when be saying that people they build that for them. You not to try. Una to try no because you say that your house before they build and give you the key. Say you say that your house be this. Money if they calculate money when they chop for your head, my guy, you go reach to build another house. If you don't take jand anything when you say me you don't put for first hand, it just be like say that times 2. Because we dey jand now with the mumu now we don't get sense now. Not be the same poverty life we fed day before come out. Person now, okay, no man person when they do work for you, you must give us something. At least you must give us something 5K. Of 10K. They don't value him again. Now 5K. Now this guy just give me when he says make I go help and find who want British power. 5,000. You know how much Okada they make a day. People when they do Okada, how much they make a day. See now the time when we they tell now the truth be this. Una they do us. Now make many people for this country go bless it and know they try. Make una not forget say nobody ever they get work for this country. People day natural that they do 10 euro a day. 10 euro a day, the calculator for a month at 300 euros, they go pay like pay house rent. Inside that 50 euro when you go remain, you go to pay Osusu 20 euro. Maybe a month they give us 600 euro. From there, you go send that go Nigeria 200,000. You inside that 200,000 now when you say okay, you can do something, you don't come on your own 50,000, remain 150. Wait, if you just do something with your mind, that they forbid, we're not going to make people when they this country now come back and say they
wise.
My brother, if you get document, go house, go build that by yourself. See one of my guy now, 2-bedroom flat, he built that with 2-bedroom flat, 15 million. 90 builder. And when he use the document, Richard go build another 2-bedroom flat for 2 places. He no reach 22 million. He built them 2 flats. But they use 15 million build 2-bedroom flat. You know see the cheating. You will not build that for Europe, Now when you go get that document, if you can't go Nigeria, may you go build that by yourself, then you know say they kill you. We won't do this country, we they try. As far as I say you they do anything when you they do for Nigeria, you they do that anything when you do, they try. Because people they won't kill you. Nobody, the only person, when if you build house, wait for you, without chop your money. Now your wife when born 2 children for you, 1 boy, 1 girl. Now only that your wife will build house without do you ojoro. Even some mama, their eyes sit here when they join bad meeting, they go, they will see they chop your money. Some brothers or sisters they chop money. See, make una leave people for Europe alone. Wait, don't come a person no get. You say okay, make it build. What of say if you don't chop this money now? If now Nita don't day now, we don't chop the money. If they Nita, if they deport that kind of person now, Nita he won't sleep. Now on top of Nita he won't sleep. I beg, make una dey pity us. Make una dey pity us. What we tell una say make una do. I beg, make una do am. If now 5,000 that person give you, just take am. It's not easy. Oh, can that person they work a day 2,000? After you don't dodge flat face, dodge everything. Now 2,000. Now you go get it. Waiting, you will still go wash machine.